Hello everybody, welcome to Cabbage's page. This is part 2 of my computer build revealing. Yeah, train of thought, I know. We're going to be showing you today just the rest of what my computer is going to be looking like, and then in part 3 we will show off it fully built. So we're going to start off today with my computer case, and it is massive. I got Cabbage here himself. Helping me today because it's a huge case. He's just gonna pass this thing over to me right now. Slowly pass it over to me. He's fooling around with it. He's playing around. Oh my god! Oh, thank you. Ugh. This baby right here, as you can see. Like, look at the fans. Yeah. All right. This side of it. Yep. Can't see much. Can you turn this around for me so I can do it the other way? Whew! That thing's heavy. All right, this way. You can see the glass, everything in it. It's huge. It's massive. And I can't wait to put things in it. Alright. Ow. That hurt my hand a little bit. That hurt. That thing's massive. Yeah, here's the box. Over a little bit, over a little bit. It's the Master Case H500M. And we are going to be linking the Amazon and everything down below in the comments to everything we're showing today. I don't know what the fuck I was doing behind me, but...
RGB with 16.7 million colors. I did not know there was that many colors.
Alright, let's move on to the next thing. And the next thing is probably one of the most expensive things I could have bought. It is in this boxy box. Let's open her up. Oh, it's got nice little... spare paper in there, so let's get rid of that. And, ooh, it comes in a bag. Let's get rid of the box. And we're opening the bag. Alright, opening the bag. It is the... This way. This way. Cabba, put the box down. It is the i9 Core. 9th Gen. And it comes in an amazingly nice sphere. This is a sphere, right?
Sphere, prism.
Prism sphere. And this baby is a bit overkill, but it's so fucking worth it. It is. It's so nice. So nice.
There's a lot more than you think it would be.
Yeah, it is a lot more than you think it would be. Link will be in the description below to where you can buy this baby. This beautiful, beautiful, beautiful baby. I'm probably going to use the prism and put it on top of my computer. It's going to be nice. Alright, I'll pass this over to Cabba. Thank you, Cabba. And he's passing me the next thing, which looks like it is the rest of my fans. These ones are the QL120 RGBs. Let's open this baby up. And it comes with a nice little box on top. I'm guessing that's where all my cords and everything are, which would be nice. Let's pull open this. Oh, look at that. It's so cool. It's so nice. It's the best fan ever. So this will light up any color I want. I'm thinking about doing it purple, pink, green, maybe the Cabba colors, you know, maybe just green with a bunch of cabbages. I don't know. We'll see. We shall see. Put that back in there for now. But yeah, link for that will be in the description below as well. I'm not gonna deal with the box here, Cabba.
Thanks, bro.
Cabba's gonna deal with the box right now. Make it look nice. So the last thing I have to show you is the last and final thing of my computer build, and it's the power supply. So I went with the bigger power supply, like the biggest I could probably get. And it is the 1000 watt RM, 1000 watt battery supply from Corsair. Oh my gosh. And this baby, the reflection on the camera. Oh, gotta go this way. Oh, okay, Cabba's taking it from me. Never mind. I was gonna show it off, but Cabba just stole it. I'm guessing, oh, he's pulling off the glisten, the wrapping, so that I can actually show it off now. As he's injuring himself more. Ugh. All right, this baby has ultra low noise, like ultra low noise. It's from Corsair, so you know it's going to be good. The fan on this thing is pretty much as big as the fan on the front of my computer. It's 140 mil, and it's 1,000 watts. It can... lots of descriptions on the back and everything. Can't really show this off very well. This thing is heavy. It's massive, and it's freaking awesome. So that's the rest of my computer build for you all. This is probably going to be a short video. Don't worry about it. The next one I will upload for my computer build will be part 3, and that will probably be either this weekend or Monday, the February... February. God damn it, Kaba. Jesus Christ. Why'd I let you in here? Alright. So the next one will be probably Monday, and I will do a big reveal. That's my sloth. This side. That's my sloth. I bought that sloth at KAMCON, actually. And KAMCON is a tabletop convention out of where I live, in Kamloops. BC, Canada, you know, all that fun stuff. And it's a big tabletop convention with D&D, Pathfinder, all that type of stuff. And they have Chibis. We have Chibis that comes. And Chibis does these guys here and figurines for anime and everything. And I bought this guy. But I bought this guy because I have a big sloth onesie. But other than that, let's go back to the date. The date for... my next video upload will probably be Monday, the 24th of February. And I'll just upload it randomly and show off what my computer looks like. I'll show off the colors that I picked. And I hope everybody is as excited as I am to get this thing built, running. And the streams should be amazing afterwards. Should be. I'm hoping this does that. But yeah, thank you all for watching. Stay awesome and have a good day, evening, night, whatever time you're watching this as. Please subscribe, and you don't really need to click the bell icon, but you know, if you want more content and be updated and everything, click that bell icon. Have a nice day.